Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Rahman. My topic is marijuana should be legalized. Okay, my purpose for the topic is to persuade the society that they have the wrong perception of marijuana. Okay, what is marijuana? Marijuana, or also known as cannabis, is illegal in Malaysia, and you can get sentenced to death if you are in possession of 200 grams of marijuana. Okay. Why is this harmless plant becoming a big issue all around the world, and the benefit of it is not portrayed by the media properly? Okay, marijuana is a cannabis plant, psychoactive drug used recreational and or medical purpose. However, marijuana is not as harmful as the government perceive and should be legalized, as there are many positive effects, such as the abuse of marijuana is low. Cannabis is a safe and useful aid, and the intake of weed can stop the spread of cancer. One reason for legalizing marijuana is that it can be potentially used as medicine. Compared to other drugs, marijuana is the least addictive. CNN Chief Medical Coordinator Dr. Sanjay Gupta has reported that the amount of marijuana addiction in adults amount to 9 to 10%. Cocaine is addicted to approximately 20% of its users. Tobacco is the worst culprit, with 30% of its users addicted. Marijuana is far safer than already legalized drugs. In 2010, 38,329 deaths were used by overdose. Prescription drugs accounted for 60% of them in the same year. 25,692 people, including accidental poisoning or dependent disease, died of alcohol-induced cause. The marijuana plants contain chemicals that aid in the treatment of a range of diseases and symptoms. Many argue that for the medical purpose it should be legal. Okay, no known account of death from a cannabis overdose has been recorded ever since it has been introduced to humankind. Okay. Now I have talked about how low marijuana is abused among the consumer. Now let's see how marijuana is used as a sleeping aid. Marijuana is used as a sleeping aid. Relax your mind is used as tak apa, saya kat.
Tak payah
Marijuana is used as a sleeping aid. Relaxes your mind by releasing a chemical. THC reduce the REM cycle and initiates a deeper and profound sleep. It is the chemical that is mostly responsible for the sedative nature of cannabis. Pain and discomfort can be assisted by THC, analgesic, and antispasmodic effect, especially when paired with other cannabinoids and Japanese in order to emphasize the many benefits that can be brought by cannabis. CBD have effective anti-anxiety and anti-convulsant features that are advantageous to ease the highway mind and calming the body. Although THC is more sedating, the CBD strives to conquer pain, anxiety, and spasticity. Many target underlying reasons for many disorders associated with sleep. Marijuana users many experience psychosis from large dose, but it can control epileptic seizures, cell deadeness, excitability, and regulate a calming effect. Brain cells release dopamine, a feel-good brain chemical when THC hits them. Now that we see the benefit of marijuana as a sleeping aid, I will now explain how marijuana can be used to treat cancer. Today, I first explain that marijuana can be potentially used as a medicine. Second, marijuana is safe and a useful sleeping aid. Last, marijuana is used to treat cancer. Marijuana have a lot of medical purposes, such as it can be used as a potential medicine, used as a sleeping aid, and is also used to treat cancer. It is undeniable that marijuana brings more benefit than negative side effect, which means it should be legalized for good. It is time for us to accept a new change that will benefit us in so many aspects. We should change our perspective on marijuana because everything in this world has its own pros and cons. That's all. Thank you.